welcome back to Kodemine. Carry here. So in this video, we will talk about what is the difference between a image or a container. So image is basically a template, a ready template in which we have app and all its dependencies, services, third-party libraries. A full-fledged app is available in the image. We just need to create a container of that image and deploy that container and run that container, and our application is live. So basically, image is just a template, right? What I will do, I will create a application and convert that application into a image. Image will become a static template, right? And for example, I want to deploy at a one location. I will create a container and it will deploy on that site and it will become first container. And for example, that same image I want to deploy a second site, I will create another container of that image and I can deploy it on another side. So basically, image is a ready template and container is a instance of that image, right? Or you can say container is a working copy of the image, right? Container become from the image. So container is a working copy of image, right? So this is what is the difference. These are very interrelated, right? First we create an image, then we create a container of the application, right? So this is all about the relation between the image and the container. So if you guys still have any query, any question related what is the comparison of this image versus container, so comment into the comment box, we will help you out. Or please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.